Hey everyone, welcome to the first demo of 2026. If you're starting an e-commerce business and your product photos looks average or just okay, but not convincing or sellable enough, well, this tool might save you hours. Today I'm demoing SellerPic. It is an AI-powered platform for e-commerce businesses to generate professional product images and videos quickly and cheaply, eliminating the need for physical photo shoots, models, or complex editing skills. So let me show you how to create a cleaner, more professional product images. And this is especially useful if you're selling on Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, or Amazon. And if you're starting on a small budget, this is one of the fastest way to level up your store. SellerPic AI is accessible via this link, and you can sign up using your Gmail or any other valid email accounts. For those who just sign up, you are entitled to 20 credits. If you want to explore more features, you can sign up for the starter pack at 14.50 per month or advance at 49.50. But if you sign up for the yearly pack, you enjoy the limited time off of 50%. And this is a great value for newbies or new subscribers. Okay. For new users, you will find that SellerPic is very intuitive with its clean design. For the first demo, I'm going to show you how to use your own prompt to create a product photo or basically an image of a model wearing your own products. For example, this female model wearing a jewelry. On my right panel, you will find a new chat functionality where you can actually input your prompt, and you can even upload an image of a sample jewel photo so you can make reference for a new image or product image based on the jewelry that you're gonna create in the first place. So right now it's processing my request, and let's see what it looks like. So based on the prompt that I have actually entered, I requested for the image of the jewelry to be placed on a setting cloth. So this is what it produced. And right now I'm gonna do a close-up of this jewelry so that you can actually have more options to include it in your website. And of course, the processing time is quite fast. The waiting time would be about 5 to 10 seconds. And this is the close up of the image. As you can see the details are so perfect, and you can see even the chains as well as the jewelry or even diamonds that are within the intricate design. For the next example, I'm gonna kind of create a specification for the dimensions of the pendant. And right now, as you can see here, this is as how detailed they're gonna generate, ranging from the thickness, the height, as well as the width of the pendant. So this is really a great example of how you can incorporate product description with this image, and you can include it in your e-commerce store. For my next example, I'm gonna do a prompt which describes the product shot of a beautiful woman wearing this heart pendant with a focus on fashion. So basically, I've included all the details that I require, and right now it's processing my request. On the screen right now, you can actually see the image of a beautiful lady, and you can actually download this image in 4K for 2 credits. For my next example, I'm gonna do a close-up product photo of a female model wearing the pendant, and I've already uploaded the image of the pendant. And right now I'm just gonna zero in on the selection of the models. I've already chose this one. Let's click on the generate button. As you can see on the screen, there are 4 variations of the model wearing the same pendant, but if you look closely, they are not the same. Let me distinguish each of these photos for you. The close-up of the pendant is not the same. Basically, if you look at the close-up, each of them have different details. This one actually fits the detail of the pendant, similar to the ones I've generated earlier. And you want to use the right one for your e-commerce store. For my last example, I'm gonna use the close-up image of the pendant. I'm just gonna superimpose it on a natural background. This example, I'm just gonna lay it out on the sand, uh, s- basically on the desert, to be precise. I have already included the AI background, uh, canvas size for this image. So as you can see, there are actually four variations. And as you can see on the screen right now, it has generated two of the actual item. And they may not be the same look. The first one has more of the basic look of the pendant with no chains. And on the bottom right, you can actually see that it has partly part of the pendant with top part of the chains, but the one on the left is the most accurate one. So these are some of the examples you can do with SellerPic AI. If you're in e-commerce, this is one AI platform that you might consider getting. If you're interested to explore or sign up, I've included the link for SellerPic in the description box. If you like the demo so far, please give me a like. And if you're new here, do consider follow me or subscribe this channel for more value-added content on AI tools, marketing, or even follow my podcast playlist to get to know more inspiring individuals who are thriving in their business. Until then, may you have a successful 2026. Bye.